So Rocket is the international family-owned company. We are buying renewable raw material like corn, wheat, pea and potatoes and transforming it in products, in solution. And our main market is the ingredient for food market. So we are developing a full range of specialty for food, pharmaceutical and feed market. Protein is one of the major components aside from starch to our product, and we are in a process to develop more and more this market. So we are still a leader for wheat-based protein, for gluten, for bakery application, but we are developing other sources for pea. Other sources for protein. Pea protein, for instance, is one of our strategic development. So pea protein has specific properties, technological properties, nutritional properties. So pea protein could be used in many markets for food specialties. The pea protein is a new comer in the protein market. And so we have really to develop the new solutions that the consumer knows, that our customer knows this new solution, and to develop it worldwide. So it's really the time to market. We have to go quick. That's a challenge, and to develop right solution for our customer and for the consumers. So it was a fantastic opportunity for Rocket to be a key partner for this event because our headquarters are based in Lille. We have our major plants for our different activities over the fence of Lille. One of our major plants in Letrem is the largest biorefinery in Europe. It's 40 kilometers far from here. And the protein market, as I explained, is really in the core of our strategy. And so it's a great opportunity to network, to see a new development, to have contact with all the value chain for protein. So it was really a very interesting event, business-oriented as we are today. We welcomed a bus it was on Monday. It was the opportunity to show what we are doing as solution on the application center, and we have really had a very good feedback after the visit of the people at Letrem. So we are very happy to have this opportunity to show the reality of this protein development. They were very interesting about the really the concrete solution in baking, savory, in dairy, in all these markets. So it was really the opportunity to transform product into really consumer solution, consumer product. We were very pleased to open our doors to some of the people attending these events. Due to security reason, we cannot welcome everybody, but we have a significant group of people, and we organize really an innovation tour inside our plant, inside the research and development and innovation part of our plant as well, because our research and development are mainly located in this facility. So it was really interesting to have this dialogue with the people attending the event during this innovation tour.